Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the battery in your DJI Osmo 360. To replace the battery, you'll need to look at the compartment on the left. Simply press on the tab, slide it right and then down. The same movement as the arrow shows. Then pull it up, and you can use the little tab on the battery to hold on to it and then slide it out. Take your other battery and put it in, making sure that this little part that stands out aligns with the pins down there. You put it in, then put this, push it down, then push it there. If it clicks, that means it's closed, and you can get back to using your DJI Osmo 360. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.